hailstorm hit several areas in Turkey April 21, 2023. After the Aquarian flood, the citizens who saw the palm-sized hail could not hide their astonishment. It was learned that the hail was especially effective in Adıyaman, Şanlıurfa, Diyarbakır, and Istanbul. Hail was effective in some districts of Istanbul. The hail, which was effective with the rain in Kaitani, had a hard time for the citizens. It was seen that some cars were blocked due to the hail. The hail, which was effective for a short time, negatively affected life. In Adıyaman, many vehicles were damaged due to the hail, and the crops in the vineyards and gardens were adversely affected. While the streets were covered wide with hail, pedestrians as well as drivers had a hard time. Adıyaman Governorate made a written statement yesterday and warned citizens to take precautions against heavy rain. Just like in the Hazro district of Diyarbakır, the streets turned wide as the short-term downpour gave way to hail. Those caught outside in the hail took shelter in closed areas. The hail soon covered the area with white. After about 15 minutes of hail, the sun showed itself. In the Şifarak district of Şanlıurfa, the heavy rain that connected in the afternoon left its place to hail in a short time. The hail, which was especially effective in rural and high areas, damaged trees and cultivated land.